Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day and I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I paint my base color for my paintings. So for the base, I will be using 4 different colors, which are Naphthol Red Medium with code 396 from Talent, Titanium White from Roco. Roco, by the way, is a local brand from the United Arab Emirates, and I haven't used this brand before, so it's going to be my first time. So let's see how it turns out. And Rouge and Grey Mid from MNG. I still haven't picked out the color scheme for the flowers, which will go well with this kind of a background, but I guess I will be going with something whitish, probably white daisies or hydrangeas or something which is close to the white color scheme. Although my initial plan was to go with a lighter color for the background, such as the pastel pink, pastel blue or pastel yellow, but then when I went towards my desk, I saw some darker colors laying down there all unused, and I was like, you know what, I think this time I should go with a darker color. So I was like, let me just go with a darker color. And plus I love darker backgrounds because they're easy to work with. I mean, that's my personal preference. I'm really happy on how this turned out. It's a nice blend of pink purplish color. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next process. Bye.